Alright, so why don't you take a second and look at the problem, make an attempt, and then when you're ready, continue and we will work on it together. Okay, so this is going to give you the distribution of the 50 states of the United States by population in 2000. So these are placeholders, this A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is actually giving you information about what the population was in a broad way. And then this is giving you the number of states that fit within these categories. So for example, 15 states had a population of 0 to 1.9 million in 2000. 9 states had a population of 2 to 3.9 million, and so on and so forth. Okay, so that's the information that the chart is trying to give you. Now the question that they are asking is, the median of the 58 state populations was in which population category? Alright, so whenever you have a median, what you do is you rank things from lowest to highest. And then what you do is you basically, like, let's say you got like 5 numbers, you know, A, B, C, D, E, right? So these are 5 numbers. Basically cross off the largest and the smallest, until you find yourself in the center. And you pick the center one, that becomes your median. Now if you have 2 in the center, like let's say like C and C prime, let's say these are 2 numbers in the center, so it's like an even number of questions, and the even number of questions has a so you can't pick a middle one. What you can do is you can divide this. So you basically add C plus C prime and you divide by 2. That's what you're looking for. But we aren't necessarily looking for just this, and we're only looking for a broad stroke. Which category is it in? So we can just start canceling off the lowest and the highest and then find the category that we're in. Alright, so let's start off with this. Here we know we have 15 that are in 0 to 1.9 million. So if we cross this out, this category, we have to cross out 15 states going the opposite direction. Because this is already in decreasing to increasing order, right? These are the smallest population states, these are the highest. So let's see if we can cross off 15 going this way now. So 4 gets crossed off, 4 plus 2 is 6, that gets crossed off, plus 1 is 7, gets crossed off, plus 4 is 11, that gets crossed off, 11, 12, 13, 14, that gets crossed off, and we've now we've crossed off 1 of category C, right? So 4 and 4 is 8, 10, 11, 11 plus 3 is 14. Yeah, okay, we crossed off 1 here, and that's all just getting rid of category A. Now we need to get rid of this category. This one, so now we've crossed off everything from the bottom side. We simultaneously crossed off things from the top. Now we're going to do the same thing over again. The number we have to cross off here is 9. So let's say we cross off 9 here. Now we cross off, going the opposite direction, 9 more. So there is currently 11 left in here. We already crossed off 1. So if we cross off 9 here, we're going to get all the way down to about here, where there's going to be 2 left over. Alright, and we've already crossed off this entire thing. So they're actually going to meet here. There's going to be 2 states we probably would have to divide here, but we don't have to because we know that they're in this category. We are in category C. So the median is going to be in category C, which is going to be option C.